So here we have a Vauxhall Corsa D. It's a failed its MOT on front spring snapped. It's quite common on these. Obviously you jack it up, take the wheel off. You also need to take the skull panel off, so wiper arms off to get to the top mount. So ABS wire disconnected. Release the brake pipe from the strut. And then you can undo the two bolts that bolt the strut to the hub, which are these two here. Then you're going to need to undo the anti-roll bar top ball joint from the strut. Once that's removed, you can take the two bolts out from the hub, and that's everything undone at the bottom of the strut. And need to release the top mount, which is underneath the plastic trim where the wiper arms would be. It's just one single nut. Release that nut and the strut will drop out. Now you've got to release this nut to remove the top mount completely. So put it in a vise, use spring compressors to compress the spring, and you can safely remove the top mount nut. And remove the spring from the shock absorber. And just swap the shock absorber boot, top mount and bump stop over to the new spring and refit them to the shock absorber. Here you can see the difference where the snap to the bottom. They usually snap at the bottom on these. Obviously put it back together the same way it came apart. And make sure the spring's located properly in the shock absorber. Refit it off. Obviously making sure everything's refitted as it was before. And that's it. Quite a simple job if you've got the tools for it. Thanks for watching.